Premium freehold industrial land for sale, Kapar, Selangor, Malaysia. Strategic industrial investment opportunity. Positioned within the established Taman Perindustrian Kapar Bestari in Kapar, this 6.63-acre freehold industrial land offers a rare opportunity for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation and strategic industrial development in one of Malaysia's most dynamic growth corridors. Property highlights. Price, Rm 44,468,000. Land size, 6.63 acres. Tenure, freehold, perpetual ownership for foreign investors. Land status, converted and ready for development. Zoning, industrial, ideal for logistics, warehousing, manufacturing. Unmatched connectivity. This site enjoys excellent accessibility via Malaysia's key highway networks. Direct links to New Klang Valley Expressway, NKVE. Seamless access to West Coast Expressway, WCE. Connected to Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway, DASH. Easy reach to Federal Highway. Strategically located near Port Klang, Malaysia's busiest seaport, enabling efficient import/export operations and regional distribution. Proximity to key infrastructure. Approximately 45 to 60 minutes to Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA, and KLIA 2. Close to major rail and logistics hubs. Surrounded by established industrial estates and business centers. Access to ICT hubs and supply chain ecosystems. Workforce advantage. Kapar and the Greater Klang region offer abundant skilled and semi-skilled workforce. Established industrial talent pool. Cost-efficient labor compared to regional peers. Lifestyle and supporting amenities. While primarily an industrial hub, Kapar provides a comfortable environment for management teams and expatriates. Modern accommodations with Wi-Fi, parking, and fully equipped living spaces. Family-friendly environment with dining and leisure options. Nearby coastal and ecotourism attractions, including traditional fishing villages, mangrove forests and birdwatching sites. Renowned local seafood destinations. Why invest in Kapar, Selangor? Strategic location within the Klang Valley Industrial Belt. Strong logistics backbone anchored by Port Klang. High demand for industrial land driven by e-commerce and manufacturing growth. Stable regulatory environment and foreign investment friendliness. Ideal for logistics and warehousing hubs. Manufacturing facilities. Regional distribution centers. Industrial park development. Conclusion. This freehold industrial land in Kapar Bestari represents a compelling opportunity to secure a prime asset in Malaysia's thriving industrial ecosystem, combining connectivity, workforce availability, and long-term growth potential. For more information and viewing, kindly contact Sonny. Email, sonnycock2@gmail.com. Owner is welcome to list.